Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of e with the power of cosine x times sine x dx. Okay, so you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define e with the power of cosine x as u, and if you calculate the derivative of each side of this equation, you will get, so derivative of e with the power of cosine x will be equal to minus sine x e with the power of cosine x dx, which is equal to du. Okay, if it is not clear for you how to calculate this derivative, that is the derivative of e with the power of cosine x, write in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. Okay, so now if you compare this expression with what you have here, you see they are very similar. The only difference is this minus sign. So from this expression you can conclude that sinus x e with the power of cosine x dx is equal to minus du. Okay, so now if you substitute this expression into this integral, you will get that integral will be equal to, so e, instead of sinus x e with the power of cosine x, that is sinus x times e with the power of cosine x dx, I simply write minus du, and the integral of du we know it is equal to minus u plus c, and c is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do at this stage is to substitute this parameter u with this definition you had at the beginning. Therefore this will be equal to minus e with the power of cosine x plus c. Okay, and that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.